I'm Polly Bath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to address a question about in-school suspension. I have been assigned to run an in-school suspension room. I'm having so many problems with this. The kids dismiss me, the staff walk in whenever they want to reprimand kids in my care, and the kids think the whole thing is a joke. Any advice? When we develop in-school suspensions, have to be very cautious about it's not a place, it's an actual intervention. When I get assigned to in-school, I have a job to do. There is somebody in charge, and other people are not in charge. See, once somebody is assigned to that classroom, and it is a classroom, you're right, you are the one in charge. But that has to be a message that is sent to everyone. So if you are assigned to an in-school suspension right now, have the conversation, whether it's with admin or whatever team you can approach in the building, to say, how do we make in-school suspension something that lives on its own, even though we're supporting the kids who have kind of messed up a little bit. That's why they're assigned there. But nobody else comes in and reprimands or steps into that room. I would not go into another teacher's classroom and reprimand a child that was in their care. So therefore, I don't want them to do that with me. But sometimes the perception of in-school suspension is not that way. So that has to be cleared up, because you're absolutely right. If that is not cleared up and it is not put into practice with fidelity, then kids will treat it as a joke. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos. If you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.